In two new updates in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, Siddharth Pithani has reportedly told the CBI that Sushant was deeply affected by Disha Salian's demise and had asked Siddharth to move into his room. And Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer has alleged that all the accusations made by Sushant's family are proving to be false. Sushant Singh Rajput's case continued to be shrouded in mystery and murkiness as new disturbing angles emerge every day. The CBI, which is now investigating the case, has interrogated Siddharth Pithani and other members who were present at home the day Sushant passed away, and are now going to grill Rhea Chakraborty and her brother Shavik over several days as well. Unfortunately, instead of getting clarity in the case, the uncertainty surrounding the case only seemed to be deepening. Siddharth Pithani, who was allegedly amongst the first people to find Sushant after his demise and had been living in the actor's house in the year leading up to his demise, has allegedly made more revelations to the CBI during his interrogation. There are unconfirmed reports that Siddharth has spoken about the impact of Disha Salian's demise on Sushant. Siddharth has allegedly said that Sushant Disha की खबर से बहुत टेंस हो गए थे और बीमार भी पड़ गए थे. According to news reports, Siddharth's statement says, when Sushant got to know about Disha's death, he became unwell. Sushant had become very tense after the news of Disha's demise on the 9th of June. Because of this tension, he asked me to sleep in his bedroom. He kept asking me for every single information about Disha's demise. I gave him every information. सिद्धार्थ ने कई बार इस बात को दोहराया है कि दिशा के डिमाइस का सुशांत पर बहुत गहरा असर हुआ. In another interview, he had mentioned that Sushant was in tears when he heard the news and was upset at his name being linked to Disha in reports of her demise. His sister was there to take care of him that time. She fed him, gave him water. His sister came over the day Rhea left. The following day, this incident happened, and that affected him so much. He fainted also. His sister and me were in the same room. We all saw how badly it affected him, Siddharth had said. Siddharth Pithani has also alleged in earlier statements that Sushant और Rhea का झगड़ा हुआ था, after which she left the actor's home on June 8th. Satish Manishinde, Rhea's lawyer, had also commented about this fight and claimed that the fight happened because Sushant's sister Priyanka उनकी medicines change करने की कोशिश कर रही थी, and Rhea was against this. Chats between Sushant and his sister Priyanka also point to her changing his medicines for certain mental health issues, and according to Mr. Manishinde, when Rhea intervened and said that what his sister was doing wasn't right, Sushant ने Rhea को घर छोड़ने के लिए कह दिया. Satish Manishinde also claims कि जिस डॉक्टर से supposedly prescription लिया गया वो psychologist नहीं, cardiologist है, and alleges that the prescription itself is forged since it's been made for an OPD patient, which Sushant was not. Firstly, on 8th June, Sushant was in Mumbai. He wasn't an OPD patient. The doctor has never examined Sushant. Sushant Singh Rajput's case seemed to be getting more and more complicated with each passing day. क्या सच सामने आएगा या फिर कई सवाल हमेशा के लिए अनआंसर्ड रह जाएंगे?